Hello friends. Today I am sharing you three very simple technique to manage your stress. So you might be thinking what is stress, or maybe you are already aware, because today this topic stress is overused, right? Overused, and people feel very good when they say that I have lot of stress, right? It is like a feel good factor has become. Like if somebody is not stressful, means he feel that he is not working, or he is not really alive, sort of. So it has become a fashion to be stressful. But anyway, there is some reality also that people really has stress. And what is stress? So you can have so many reason of the stress and so many symptoms, but let me tell you in a very simple way what is stress. So whenever you have lot of things to do, lot of issue to handle, lot of work to do in a limited time, very limited time, and when you have less time and you have lot to do, that is the scenario situation where you experience stress, right? Because nowadays everyone has so many things to do on personal life, professional life, and social life, right? But people has the limited time. So when situation come, when you have to do so many things, you are following so many things, lot of things getting in the head at the same time, and you are not getting time, that is where you experience stress. Also, you when you work in office, or usually even at home, you experience different emotion. Like about the future, you have fear or anxiety. When you think about past, you have either regret or anger, right? So to manage all these emotions and overcome it and be happy or neutral, I'm sharing you three, or rather four, very simple technique. If you apply it, it will be like you will be normal. Like when any machine, imagine the situation when that any machine or server getting overloaded. What you need to do? You need to restart. Like we have a reset button on the machinery. Similarly, where is the reset button in our body or our mind? Right? Did you find the reset button? That when you are overloaded and when your mind is not functioning properly, when it is malfunctioning, or it is stressed, or it is performing low, what to do, where to reset? So what if I tell you that yes, there is a reset button or reset mechanism we have, everyone has, and that reset mechanism is nothing but it is our breath. Yes, breath is the reset mechanism for your emotion, all kind of emotion. So whenever you feel, let's say, anger, what to do? Whenever you have the anger or regret, very simple, you just breathe in like this. Full deep breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and relax. This you can do even sitting at your desk. Just you may close your eyes, or if not possible to close, then with open your eyes. So you just sit straight, not like sitting like bend. So you have to sit straight and breathe in and relax. You can breathe out through your mouth also. So this is one technique, just to breathe in and breathe out. The second technique, like if you not have getting the any relaxation with this technique, what you can do, remember anulom bilom. So just simply just close, don't let other feel that you are in, if you are in office. If it is possible, then it's okay, otherwise you can just close your one nose and breathe in from other nose like this, then close the other nose and breathe out from other nostrils, and then breathe in from the same nostril and breathe out from other nostril. If you close your eyes, it will be very great. just do this, right? It will help you. Like it is like you will come to the present. Whatever thought or emotion going on your head, it will relax, and you will experience peace and calm. You will come to the present moment. Okay. Similarly, if you have like fear or anxiety, thinking about the future, what you can do, you can do the Ujjayi breath, like, or when you need the courage or gut, right? Sometimes you need daring to do something. So in those situations, what you can do, Ujjayi breath. So what is Ujjayi breath? From Google or YouTube you can learn more about this, but Ujjayi breath is simple. We breathe in and the force is coming from here, not from the nose but from here. How? Close your mouth and then breathe in forcefully like this. Breathe in, then breathe out. Whenever you will breathe in, your stomach will expand, chest will expand. First stomach, then chest, and then when you will breathe out, it will compress, right? Like this. And breathe out. So do this 2-3 times, 5 times maximum. You can do this, right? There could be also one situation when you are feeling low, sad, like depressed, low in energy. What you can do? You can just do the Bhastrika. How? Just take your both hand like this, touch your both elbow from your side and like this in front of, and with forceful breath, normal breath, you just breathe in and breathe out. If not possible to do in your working area, go to washroom and do this while sitting or standing. Just do this. Go to cafeteria or sutta area, wherever, and just do this 10 times, 10 times, thrice like this. When you will do, oxygen or energy and prana in your body will increase and you will feel normal, right? So these are the 4 very simple technique you can apply at your work to change your emotion, feel good, and release the stress. And when you will do this, definitely you will feel happy. If not happy, then you will be at least neutral, normal, right? So this is what I wanted to share. These are the most effective technique I applied, and I applied on other people also. Live, somebody called me that I am feeling low, sad or depressed. I told him, okay, you do this Bhastrika. 3 rounds of 10, and he was okay. So this is what I wanted to share, okay, and I'll keep sharing every day something useful tips, technique for you to get some benefit, okay. So keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you and bye bye. Apply this.